All right, good morning. It's January 2nd, 2024. It's the first business day of the new year. And what I'm going to show you in this video is I'm going to show you how to organize your life by creating a chat bot or a chat agent. And what it's going to do is that it's going to help you organize your finances. It's going to automate your finances. So if you've ever thought of it, or you could think of it this way, if you've ever gotten a receipt and you've lost a receipt, maybe you've got a business receipt, you need to itemize business expenses, this is going to be an automatic way to do that. So let's just go over here. I'm going to be using the Chat GPT. Get this out of the way here. So I'm going to go to the open, I forgot, chat.openai.gpts/editor. So chat.openai.com/gpts/editor. All right, so here I am. I'm in my personal account here. And in case you don't realize, you do have to have the Chat GPT 4 version for this. So I'm just going to talk to my Chat GPT as a normal human being. So I'm going to be under the create button here. You can configure. I've never done the configure yet. I'm still playing around with create. So I want to create a grocery receipt tracker that will itemize my expenses into common categories I want to then save the image of my receipt to my Dropbox, or you could use Google Drive. All right, so I've typed in what I want to do, just using what's called NLP, natural language processing. You've probably heard that term before. And it's going to think about it. It's updating the idea. Give it a few minutes here. All righty, and we're done. So it's going to, how about we name this grocery tracker? Let's name it Chuck's grocery receipt tracker and storage. Now, if you look there, I did this on purpose. I misspelled the word storage. If you can see right down here, I have it as STRAGE. So what it will do is it will figure that out and figure that it's going to be a storage thing. At least it should be. Sometimes you might get what's called a hallucination, and it thinks that, oh, we're going to call it storage. Okay, well, we can always rename it. So if you can see here, okay, so it created me an automatic thing. So if you can see over here on the right side, it's got all sorts of different things. So you can use this to ask it specific questions. You know, as you see there, how much I spend on meat, how much I spend on dairy. Is this item a fruit or a snack? Oh, that's kind of interesting. Categorize this receipt, save the receipt to Dropbox. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload a receipt. I've already saved one from my Google Images search this morning. So we're going to open up this one. I've attached it. Now I'm going to upload it. So it's going to take all that information into account. Now I have seen a couple of weird things, I don't know if it's issues, but if you look at that receipt there, You see the rotisserie chicken plain is abbreviated. You see CV limes and CV banana. Um, there's a little bit of a fluke here, so maybe it's just maybe it's just this particular receipt, the Whole Foods one, but it's still, I think this is still pretty life saving here. It will create time, um, will create time back for you. So as you can see here, actually this one did a little bit better. Um, this one actually separated when I was trying this morning. This one actually separated everything out. It's got the CV limes. For some reason or another, it had a hard time with the abbreviation of CV. I don't know if that's a brand name. No idea. I see if it says conventional. No idea. Um, it separated vegetables and fruits. That's actually kind of interesting. That's actually really cool. Separated my dairy, separated my meat, and it separated my pantry item. Now, I guess eggs would be in the dairy side, wouldn't it? So let's do make the product with any word egg a dairy category. Or, let's reword that. Put any product with egg in it into the dairy category. So we're going to put a new item in here, and then we're going to rerun that um, with this new command in here. Okay. So as you can say, it said, when providing summaries or categorizing items, what level of detail would you prefer? I personally like what I've got so far. So let's upload a different receipt. So I'm going to take another receipt that I found on the internet, and I've uploaded it. And as you can see, it's in the background there working. I might have to redo this again. All right. So I don't know why. Let's do it again so we can see it here. Okay. All right. So it's doing our produce, our fruits and vegetables, just general produce. So I am seeing a couple of issues here, but it's I personally don't think it's too big of a deal. And I'll show you what I saw here. Well, there's one right there, uncategorized organic cilantro. That would be under the produce section. Um, so let's go back up here and I'll show you what I saw here. So snacks, well, I'm not sure chickpeas would be a snack, but oh well. Dairy, it's still got a couple of issues. I actually did this earlier and didn't have any issues. It actually, what I saw was it actually duplicated my leeks, on this receipt. But it said often considered a vegetable, but sometimes used fruitfully in cooking. Interesting. So that's how you can create and how you can create an automatic receipt tracker. Uh, you can take your bank statement, I'm assuming, I haven't tried this yet, or a credit card statement and do the same thing here. So we've created, we've organized it, we've categorized our purchases, and now let's see about uploading it to Dropbox. So it says, would you like to save this receipt image to your Dropbox? Let's see what it does. Okay, so that's kind of what I figured I was going to happen, because there is a difference between what's called a chat bot and a chat agent. This is just a bot. It's only doing one item, and it's categorizing this receipt. If I want to categorize this receipt and go save it somewhere, then that's an agent. And you want to make an agent by incorporating your Zapier or a Pabbly or a Make.com account. And maybe we'll save that next time for another video. Anyways, I'm Chuck Ward. I am the local Vixo AI franchisee and consultant in Southern Georgia and North Florida Panhandle. If you'd like to get more information about AI automation, chatbots, so on and so forth, feel free to reach out to me. My contact is below. Have a great day. Have a great new year.